Hello everyone, welcome back to my video with another Amazon product. Product name: Magnifier Nail Scissors. Length 107 millimeters. Width 15 millimeters. Magnifier diameter 41 millimeters, which magnifies about 2.5 times larger. Additional features. Nail clippers come with a removable receptacle box. This makes it easy to disassemble and assemble. Designed to prevent the splashing of cut nails. These nail scissors appear to be designed for precise nail trimming, with the magnifier providing enhanced visibility and the removable box ensuring cleanliness and ease of use. Thanks for watching my video. If you went to buy this product, then link is in my bio. See you in next video.